take a drive to Crested Butte. It's a beautiful town. We've been there already. We're going to go there again today. It's just an amazing town to visit, so we're going to head there early this morning and go and get some bagels to start the day.
Come along for the ride.
Made it to the Bagel Alley.
Crested Butte Bagel. The dog spot. Oh my god, we have to film this. Oh.
That's a cool collar. Y'all make that?
Yes.
The bagels were a success. Leaving with a big old bag of bagels. Now we're off to go to find... We're actually going to go to the closest hike to town. Crested Butte is surrounded by national forests, so there's tons of hiking all near town. And we've come here to the lower loop. I think it's actually, dogs are allowed off leash, because I noticed that when you go back in towards town, there's a section that says leads must be required from here on. So that's pretty cool. We're not going to give Alaska that leniency because she's a bit of a, he has a tendency to run, don't you? You want to go running? Are you gonna run? So here is some moose advice for you guys. If a moose charges you, run as fast as you can and put something between you and the moose, like a tree, a car, or a large rock. Oh, crapper. She has done this about 10 times in her life, but she's still not sure about it. She didn't really do it when she was a puppy. Come on, Bob. Look. Right here.
Yes.
Come on. Right here. Come. Come on, let's go together. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's go. Come on. Good girl. It's okay. It's gentle. Come on. Gentle. Good girlie.
Good, Jody.
Yeah, good girl, you did it! Yeah, you did it! You're the sweetest Bobby! We'll get you a treaty when we get to the car, okay? Because you did it! Yeah, we'll get you a treaty! Yay! So we are heading into, what's the place called, El? Mountain Tales, which is a pet store kind of right as you turn onto Main Street. So our good friend Brandon at the Mountain Tales pet store suggested that we take a drive up to Gothic. So you kind of just go out to the ski part of Crested Butte and then just keep following the road. We're super glad we did. It's probably one of the most scenic drives potentially we've ever done in our lives.
Gothic is actually a biological research laboratory, so the town's not even open to people, but here it is. We can drive through it and drive away from it.
There is a visitor center and they do tours. I just don't know that they're open right now. It's just the most stunning scenery. It's home of the Rocky Mountain Biological Laboratories. People come here to study. We don't know. We're going to have to do some research, but it's pretty cool. Thanks, Brandon, for the tip. We have finished our day here at Crested Butte at the Secret Stash pizza joint, which is awesome. Lots of outdoor seating, lots of other dogs around. I really recommend this place. The pizza is delish. That's the end of the day for us, a few beers, and then we've got to make our way back to camp. But definitely, staying in the Gunnison area, you definitely got to take a day trip to Crested Butte. Beautiful town.